Ayaw po doon. Uy. Ate, gutom na po ate. Tama, kita pagkaon ta. Wala.
Wow.
Sisters, we're gonna go to JM Mall because we're gonna buy some costume in our sister's Marisa because he needed that thing. So let's go.
Okay, brother.
Oh, poor
Yeah.
may kwarta. Disgusting. Give me some space.
Ew, poor.
Oh, wala na.
Masagain na lang to sila. Kanatang.
Pulubi, ugi. Hatagag kwarta sa dako. Kaya tagbahin. Tala. Lumigbahin, be. Tala, tungaon na lang yung nato. Ito magkaon.
Wow.
This is so beautiful costume. I have so cake. Oh my gosh, this is exactly why it is this size. Oh my gosh, it is actually 26. Yes, this is actually this is in our Marissa sister size. This is 24, so this is not fit in our sister. So this is exactly what we need to buy. And I have buy toothpaste. Yes, can you buy that because we are rich? Oh my gosh. Okay. Mom, can I have this one?
Oh.
Please. Toothpaste. Can you be fast, Mom?
Yes, sir.
You're so lazy. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. You're slowly.
Sorry.
Fast. How much is that?
$1 now. What? Oh no!
Saan init na dito?